Do you want to learn about some sweet tuner parts that you could take home for free?
Well, we've got news for you. We will be reviewing authentic performance parts and giving them away to one lucky enthusiast.
Check out our webinars live now on slipanglemedia.com. Gain some knowledge of these sweet tuner parts and have the opportunity to take them home for absolutely free with great odds. What is up, boys and girls? Today, this morning, not really tonight, we're gonna unveil a brand new build.
What the hell did we do?
What did we do, Matthew? What did we get?
We bought a wrecked Exoset.
So we're not gonna unveil it fully yet, but we'll give you a little teaser, Weezer. Brian, you can zoom on in here. So you guys may remember we've done some videos on our friend Thomas Rudnick's green. Rudnicki, I always forget it.
Yeah.
Rudnicki, it's all the same.
Yeah.
His green Exoset, turbocharged. It's probably one of the most exhilarating and / dangerous cars I've ever driven. It's super fun.
Yeah.
Ripping it around in our driveway, me and Brian, that was a blast. Cut to that.
Yeah.
Man, like a little go-kart!
Oh, this is so much fun! I love it!
Gotta get my hat. My hat went bye-bye.
Putting it on the track.
Ripping it on the slip angle test track. It was actually it was the fastest car that we have tested to date. So after we aired that last episode with the Exoset, one of you guys reached out to us and you said that you had a friend who had a turbocharged Exoset. It has mild front end damage. It had an unfortunate fate into a tree at about 10 miles an hour.
Yeah, not bad. It wasn't.
Not too bad.
Yeah.
The front was pushed in a little bit, so that we're gonna have to do a little bit of welding in the front. But we figured for the channel, this is gonna be a great build. It's kind of like Miata content, right? Because we're gonna stick true to the Miata heritage. We're gonna keep the Miata driveline in it, turbocharge it, which it already kind of is, but we're gonna assess like what we need to like get the thing back up and running. But we have something different in store for this that is much different than the Exoset that we did footage on, and just about almost all the other Exoset builds that we've seen.
Yeah. Some of you guys might have heard of
Yes.
Paco Motorsports.
Yes.
They do an off-road kit. They do a couple different iterations of like an off-road kit, and we were thinking that an off-road Exoset that was turbocharged would just be a freaking hooligan and a blast.
So the goal is to be able to like do hood rat stuff and like hot curbs and just kind of make your own pathways wherever you go. But with the long travel setup, we actually still want to set the car up for performance. Our goal for this build is to not only be the fastest car that we've ever tested on the slip angle test track at Lime Rock, but also they run their Axis Shootout series there. We want to try to win the series with it. So
maybe just swapping out a couple of different tires.
it'll come down to tire selection for whatever we're doing, but the longer travel might actually really benefit on that track because it's not the smoothest track and there's a lot of bumps that upset the car. So this should be a very interesting build. We look at this as a budget way to get into some very high performance. We just say we'll give the numbers. So for the Exoset, we got some seats, we got full driveline, some stuff is damaged, full flying Miata turbo kit, chassis,
Suspension,
steering wheel.
Yep. APR wing.
APR wing that's a little bit hurt right now.
We'll see what we can do with that.
It was $2,300, and then it cost us $700 to get it shipped up there. So far we're gonna keep tally as we go through the build. So far we're into this build for $3,000.
And we're going to see how much fun we can have for the smallest amount of money.
Do you guys think this could be the most bang for buck performance that you can do right now? Let us know in the comments. Let us know what you think of this build, and let us know if you want us to do something a little bit different to this. Give us your feedback.
Hell yeah, I'm excited.
Me too. So our next video, we're gonna break into unpackaging everything and assessing the damage, and this is gonna be a continuous build series. We're gonna document every single thing, every step of the way. So we will catch you guys in the next one, and in the meantime, check out our webinars at slipanglemedia/webinars. Guys, we are giving away tuner parts at very reasonable cost. You're buying a seat for a live review. You don't have to be present for the live to be eligible for the giveaway. You can always go back and watch the recording with the link that we send out before we run it. But we offer up tuner parts. We give our input on them. You get some one-on-one time with us, kind of like a Patreon thing, except you don't have to pay for a subscription. But you do have to pay for a seat for the webinar. But doing so gives you a chance to take that item home for free. There's no limit to the amount of seats that you want to purchase, because we understand that you may have friends who want to participate also. But check that out and help us support the channel so we can continue doing what we're doing and give you guys the content that we do. And that's it. I hope you all have a very wonderful, Merry Christmas.
Peace out.
Happy holidays, Hanukkah, whatever you do, just be happy, see your family, hug one another.
Smoke some tires.
And smoke some tires.
Yeah.
Do some snow drifts. That's it for this one, guys. Done.